mind.
Uh-oh.
Look at the
intimidation.
Jumps back.
Ah!
Uses his legs to pull a hurricane out of him. Oh my God! The crowd goes wild. Yay!
It's over.
Ooh. Oh, he tripped on the wet ground. Oh, his legs have turned. Oh, the most incredible heel turn in all of AWF history. John's own legs have turned against him. Oh my God! Oh, that was incredible. Let's see that in slow motion.
1, 2, 3.
But his legs are not giving up yet. They're still going at him. He's kicking himself all over. He's still going. He's still going. Oh, it's bashing him in the head. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, if only we could get this on videotape. Oh, his partner comes out to try to hold him down. But John's leg is too strong. It's too strong, everybody. It's about to kick Sweet Lou right in the face.
Bring the camera over here. There's only one way to end this leg. It's been tormenting me my whole life. Match right here, right now. Hardcore match.
He's going to fight his leg in a hardcore match.
Oh, what are you doing?
Senseless violence. Senseless violence. The communists have gone in the ring to beat down the Lion Fun Machine, trying to wreck Team USA. Will this team be able to stand together? The Pink Tornado has requested a match against his own leg. Ladies and gentlemen, never before has this happened in AWF history, except for when Dave Pfeiffer fought his own bladder for the championship of the world.
Dave fought his penis? Okay, 1, 2. Damn, I don't think he won. He choked him out.
Oh, Dave didn't submit.
That's the right one, by the way. He's kicking him. Oh, no.
Oh, he's got him. Oh, Hurricane Rata to himself.
Choked him out.
This shit.
Stop moving. He didn't imagine AWF. One of those flexible legs.
This brings me back to the famous Lou's forehead incident of '94, where everything seemed to taste like Lou's forehead.
Even Flemish. One. Get out. Oh, no, no.
Oh my God. Oh, he knocked his own leg out. He's kicking himself in the head. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, this just isn't right. If only Dave was here.
I got it.
Oh, Dave's here. Dave's urinating on him. Dave is urinated on the leg. What role will it play in our match?
No, slowly cover. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, John's own leg has defeated him. It looks like he's not going to be walking for a while. I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Pink Tornado, you just lost a match against your own ligament. What do you have to say?
Well, I'll tell you. Oh, jeez. Oh, turn it off.
We have an interview with the leg. We have an interview with the leg. Leg?
Yes.
Oh, wow, you're awesome.
Yes, I'm very good.
Leg, what was it like defeating the Pink Tornado?
He's a puss. I kicked his ass.
Leg, are you familiar with your bladder?
Yes, it is connected to my trachea.
Are there any plans for further parts of the Pink Tornado to migrate as independent superstars of the AWF?
My groin may soon become free to run around and seek and shoplift the pootie.
You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. They're at the AWF, American Wrestling Federation.
Batman, what are you doing out here, Batman? Oh, what are you doing, Batman? They don't play baseball, guys. Ow! Batman, what are you doing, man? I was just watching some baseball. You're an idiot!
Oh, you said! You said! Oh!
I'm getting lead! I'm getting lead! Oh, I'm getting lead! I'm getting lead! It's my turn to ride! It's my turn to ride! I'm getting lead! I'm getting lead! I'm getting lead! I'm just stable! Hey,
Get it in! Oh, good!
here we go! Here we go! Stop!
Yes, because I decided to pursue a singles career, I'd like to introduce my new manager, Herb McCormick. He likes to sell chicken down by the seashore.
Hi, everybody. I'm Herb McCormick, and I'm going to guarantee you, John Gross's Lake, that I can get you the best AWF solo career team. Get off.
Hey,
You're going to be wearing nothing but the finest in shoe wear. You have money all over the place, women, and no Mattel riding hotel pad. No luxury's going to be spared to you because you're the lake. I'll sign you up in a match with Benny the Leech's uncle, Harry the Leech. Harry the Leech today, you'll be able to, you're going to prove the work through the AWF solo career.
Kick his
That's
ass.
right.
I'm gonna kick his ass.
101.
Opponent. This match will be John Gross's Lake, followed by his manager, Herb McCormick. I don't know what's going on. Let's just have this match, shall we? Jason, get in there. I will referee this match. What an exciting match. We should have more of these.
Wow. Where was the commentary on that one?